So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken for matrix space paper. Okay. Today's question is show that every closed ball in a matrix space is a closed set. Okay. So this is what I'm going to teach you all for today's class. Okay. First check down the question. Show that every closed ball in a matrix space is a closed set. Okay. What you'll have to show? You'll have to show that every closed ball in a matrix space is a closed set. You will have to show that a matrix closed ball is in a matrix space is a closed set, right? So what I'll have to do is, first let me start proving. You can take down. First what you'll have to do is, you'll have to consider the closed ball. Okay, consider the closed ball. BR of, so finally I have considered a closed ball in a matrix space. X comma D. Okay. Now use the definition of a closed ball and write down BR of A. This is as per the definition of the closed ball. Okay. Small x belongs to capital X, where D of X comma A, that means the distance of between X and A, is less than or equal to R. So here we have applied the definition of the closed ball, right? Next what we are going to do is, now the complement, write down now the complement of this set, you all can write down this, of this set is A is equal to, now this is the complement of the given set. Okay, A is equal to, open the brackets, say X belongs to capital X. Okay, in this, distance between X comma A is greater than R. Close the bracket. Okay. Now say let P belongs to, write down, let P belongs to capital A. A is what? It is the complement of the set, right? Therefore, you will say that distance between P comma A is greater than R. Okay. So now take the epsilon value to be, this is your epsilon is equal to distance between P comma A, which is nothing but minus R. So I have taken my epsilon to be is equal to D P comma A minus R. Now what is our claim? We are claiming that B epsilon of P is a subset of A. Now say that let X belongs to B epsilon P. Okay. Now write down that therefore distance between this X comma P is less than epsilon. Therefore write down D of X comma P is less than, now what is the value of this epsilon? Epsilon is equal to D of P comma A minus R. So write down this, replace epsilon by this. Okay. Now write down D of P comma A minus R. So therefore you all can write down d of p comma a minus d of x comma p is greater than r. I have changed the sign. Okay, greater. Okay, now what you all have to do is, now take this as equation 1. Next step is, what you all have to do is, now what you all do is write down d of p comma a, otherwise write it here only. D of p comma a is less than or equal to d of p comma x plus d of x comma a. Okay, therefore write down continuation only, d of p comma a minus d of p comma x is less than or equal to d of x comma a. So what I have done over here is, I have written this d of p comma a as it is. This I brought it other side, so it will be minus. Plus term will become minus. Minus d of p comma x is less than or equal to this. I have written it as it is. Okay. Now from this equation 1, write down from equation 1. Write down from 1. You all are going to get d of x comma a to be greater than r. Therefore, say that x belongs to a. Okay. Let me explain you all this part. From 1 means, you all have seen d of p comma a minus d of p comma x here also is greater than r. So that's why I have written it to be like this. D of x comma a is greater than this r. Okay. So therefore x belongs to a. Hence you all can write down that hence b epsilon of p is a subset of a. Therefore I will say that a is open. Therefore a is open. Hence write down, hence its complement, hence its complement which is closed, ball, which is a closed ball, is a closed set. So finally we proved that every closed ball in a matrix space is a closed set. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this, and thanks for watching. If any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.